4M Dental Implant Centers, the sponsor of the segment, is here to help you get that smile that you've always dreamed of. And joining me now is Dr. Sean Mohtashami. Welcome back. Great to see you.
Thanks for having me again.
Yes. So I think one of the big questions here is maybe why do people wait so long to come in and see you, start the process? Why are people hesitant about it?
You know, I think some are afraid of the pain. They don't know what to expect. They've had bad experience in the past. And then you have those patients that they don't know what the cost is, so they think they can't afford it. And then there are those patients where they actually assume that they're not a good candidate. So amongst all these patients, usually they wait until they just can't take that discomfort anymore. And then when they do get the procedure, they all say that, I wish I had done it sooner.
So we got to get them in the door to come see you. And I think maybe another big question is the difference between dentures, permanent implants. What do you do? What are the differences?
Yeah, so dentures, they slip, they move around. You can't really eat properly. More than that, they actually shrink the jawbone.
Okay.
So over time, your face features changes. And then implants are stable, they're fixed, they're permanent. You can eat whatever, you can bite into an apple, chew on nuts, all kinds of stuff. So it's really comfortable, and patients say that it feels as good as their natural teeth.
And the process, I know, is pretty simple, but what does the aftercare look like? How quickly are you able to bite into the apple and go about your day-to-day activities?
Within actually days, you can do that. We obviously recommend to take it easy initially until everything heals up, becomes strong, but you can pretty much function right off the bat within 24 hours.
That's incredible too, and I'm sure when you tell people that and they come in, that gives them peace of mind. I also think maybe we can give them peace of mind that this is safe. This is something not to be afraid of, right?
Absolutely. It's, I mean, I've done this for over 27 years, over 20,000 full mouth cases, over 99% success rate. I have a protocol that works, and we do it every day. So yeah, it works.
And how special is it for you, that moment when they get to see their smile again? I don't think we realize how much our teeth and our smile affect our day-to-day life.
You know, there is this immediate change in their confidence that everyone notices. Now they can smile freely, speak without having to hold their mouth. They can go on dates, they can get jobs or promotions. It's just amazing how it changes their whole life in a matter of hours.
Yeah, and you help make that possible. I know you offer free consultations and take care of everyone, so we're going to put all the information on the screen. Thank you so much for coming in and breaking down all that really helpful information. Thank you again to 4M Dental Implant Center for sponsoring this segment. You can call 702-500-0160 or visit 4mdentalimplants.com for more. And don't forget, they have a special financing which starts at as low as $150 a month or 0% interest for 24 months. JC?